Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, a nice start to our day so far, but we do have a few showers that are approaching from the south currently. Most of the heavier activity remains off the coast as of the 10 a.m. hour, but we are seeing a few light rain showers just south of the area that are moving towards us and potentially could put off a light rain shower or sprinkle here over the course of the next hour or so. Overall today we are going to be under the gun for a slight chance of some scattered showers and thunderstorms pretty much through the afternoon and evening hours as we have a stationary front that will remain draped over our area. Taking a look here at our current surface analysis, you can see that frontal boundary just off to the north. Yesterday we saw the front just off to our south, and today has shifted a little bit farther north, focusing some of those showers a little closer to our area than what we saw yesterday. Again, we will see the slight chance of a few scattered showers and thunderstorms throughout the day today, but certainly not a washout for us, as we'll see those showers remain fairly isolated as we go throughout the remainder of the day. I want to look here at our upper level wind data from this morning's balloon release, seeing the lower levels with a southeasterly wind, fairly light, around 10 knots or so. And then as we get up to around 10,000 feet, we see those winds shift out of the southwest and increase up to about 33 knots as we hit the 25,000 foot level. Take a look at our visible satellite imagery. You can see all of the cloudiness associated with that frontal boundary. And again, the thicker clouds off the coast with a few lightning strikes off the coast as well. Currently seeing those lightning strikes remaining about 25 to 30 miles off to our east. And we will see mostly cloudy skies throughout the remainder of the day today, with the occasional break in the clouds, seeing a little bit of sunshine here or there, but overall we'll average out mostly cloudy. I want to take a look at our high resolution model and see how it depicts these showers as we go through the day today. And you can see the showers that are currently just south of the region moving off by the late morning hours, and then into the afternoon we'll see more of an isolated shower and thunderstorm opportunity for us, as those showers really remain widely scattered to isolated throughout the afternoon and into the evening. We will see that frontal boundary off to our west later this evening put off some showers and thunderstorms, more likely off to the DC and Baltimore area and areas west of us, but overnight we will see the opportunity for some of those showers moving a little closer to the area and potentially affecting our area as we go into the late evening and very early hours of the morning on Friday. As we go through the day on Friday, that front will clear the area, and we'll start to see some drier air begin to move through. We will see the humidity levels also dropping as we go into the afternoon. Taking a look at how we see that playing out tomorrow. Early in the morning, you can see these dew points across the area still in the low to mid 70s, so it will feel fairly humid as you wake up in the morning. But as we go through the late morning and into the afternoon, start to see the drier air begin to move through, and those dew points and humidity levels really starting to drop off, indicating maybe seeing the dew points drop from the mid 70s in the morning to the low 60s by late in the afternoon. So even though we'll see another day of fairly warm conditions, we will see a less humid environment start to work its way into the area by late Friday, and especially on Saturday, as we'll see a beautiful day in store. Looking at our European model, you can see drier air really starting to build through, and again setting up for a very nice day on Saturday with temperatures in the low 80s for daytime highs, lower humidity values as well. Unfortunately, that will be short-lived. As we get into the day on Sunday, we'll see dry conditions, but see some increase in our humidity levels by Sunday, and especially into the first part of next week, we will see the return to some heat and humidity like what we're accustomed to seeing for this time of the year. Into the first part of next week, really not tracking any major systems, but potentially could see a frontal boundary drop from the north that could give us a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm on Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. But right now, not looking at very high chances, as it does look like it will not be too much moisture associated with that front, but could see some relief in that heat by the middle of next week. want to take a look at our next 24 hours. As you can see, Thursday and Friday posted here for the next 24 hours here. That chance for precipitation running about 50% this morning, and then we'll see lower chances for showers and thunderstorms later this afternoon and into the evening as things become more scattered and isolated in nature. Overnight tonight, running that risk through about 2 a.m. Early tomorrow morning for the shower and thunderstorms, right around 20%. And then as we go into today on Friday, looking at lower chances of showers and thunderstorms, probably less than 10% of seeing one here at the Wallops area. So looking at our next 7 days, very nice conditions overall. After today, we'll see decreasing humidity levels during the afternoon on Friday. We will see a high of 89, and we'll see muggy conditions for the first half of the day, but very nice conditions shaping up for your Saturday with high temperature in the low 80s. And then pretty nice conditions overall for Sunday as well, getting up to a high of 87. We will have a little bit more humidity in the area on Sunday, and especially on Monday as we see a return to the pretty hot conditions with a high of 92 degrees expected under partly cloudy skies to start your work week. And then into Tuesday and Wednesday, running about a 10% risk right now for a shower or thunderstorm as that front looks to drop down from the south. Yesterday it looked like a cooler day expected on Tuesday, but now it looks like it will likely be Wednesday before we see cooler conditions and a real break in that heat and humidity by the middle of next week. So looking at a high of 86 for Tuesday and a high of 82 for Wednesday. That'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.